Here we have 1/8 inch by 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 tube, which is plenty heavy duty for a parking sign. I use the 1/8 inch plate by 12 by 18 for the actual vinyl that I'm going to attach. And then I welded an end cap to keep the rain out. Now this may seem a little bit of overkill to a lot of you, but I actually cut and tapered the bottom that I'm going to drive into the ground. And the reason for this is so that it goes into the ground much smoother and deeper. Now, no one will actually see or appreciate this work. All right, guys, we've got heavy snow. And look what the snowplow has done to these signs. I actually put that one back up. This one, it's been plowed over quite a few times. Well, we're gonna fix that today. Look how light duty the old post was. I mean, it just bent like a soda can. The other one's coming out too. It's not in very good shape. Here's the generator I'm going to use for my mixer. This thing is so reliable. Fast setting, quick dry concrete mix along with accelerator because the weather is cold. Very important. All right, I got the hole dug out about 10 inches to a foot. That's plenty. Now before I mix the concrete, I'm going to pound it in and make sure it's level. All right, not only did I dig a hole, but I also pounded it in, and I forgot my other level. Let's square this way, and it is square this way. Okay. Heavy duty steel parking. Obviously, we can't put a sign on the wall because it's too far back there. So I purposely fill the hole with fast setting concrete below grade. Then of course, tamp it, get all the air bubbles out, come back tomorrow. When that's all dry, you cover it over with dirt. And then no one will know. And it will hold up against all the snow in the future. Same thing this one. Get all the air bubbles out. Some people might consider this overkill. But anyway, you can put bark or dirt or gravel or whatever you've got to cover over the concrete. And this, in my opinion, is the best way to install fence posts as well as parking signs. This generator is so awesome. Nice. Making sure it is square and level both directions, but
okay, let's go.